What's up guys, Tekshan here back with another cool tech episode. The heat is on. So this time, it's a special episode featuring some cool summer products that you'll totally love. Sit back and enjoy. And as always, if you end up liking this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. And I guess that's it. Let's get rolling. First product on my list is something super handy during power cuts. Meet my new pet penguin. Haha, well, this is an emergency rechargeable lamp designed in the shape of a penguin.
Crazy.
Who, me or the penguin?
Both of you.
Sure is. It's an amazing product that not only helps you brighten up your room during power cuts, but also can be a fantastic decor item. Build is ABS plastic, super solid. On one side, you have the power adapter slot to charge. Single charge can get you close to 3 hours. And a power button here. Now, this center area is where you have the light. Press the power button and it lights up. You have 2 level brightness adjustments and the LED light is bright enough. But wait, I have another cool thing to show you. Press the power button again and you have a study mode where the beak of the penguin lights up, giving you enough brightness to be used as a table lamp. Isn't that cool? Apart from that, in the box you also get a wall stand in case you want to hang the penguin on the wall. Cool, right? You can slide and remove it when you want to. Awesome! Overall, an amazing penguin-shaped emergency LED lamp for around ₹1,200. Personal use or for gifting, you can definitely consider. Wanna grab one? We'll leave the Best Buy link in the description. Check it out. Alright, next product on my list is something to keep you cool. Meet the GeekAd DF6 rechargeable table fan. This is something that comes with some pretty impressive features that will surprise you. And here's the fan. On first look, build, yep, it's very good. Super light in weight as well. This is a 6-inch desk fan that has 3 blades. You can remove the front cover, which makes it easy to clean. Angle adjustment, yep, you can do that. Bottom, you have a single button with a LED indicator that gives you access to 4 different speed levels. And trust me, the air throw is good enough for a single person. Be it while you're working or sleeping, this should suffice. But wait, here's another cool thing. With this fan comes an inbuilt Bluetooth speaker.
What?
Yep. So when you're relaxing, just pair your smartphone to it and enjoy amplified music. The speaker is loud enough. How cool can a fan get, guys? Here is an audio sample. You can also use the connection button to pause the music. Cool, right?
So lost, I felt so incomplete. I had nowhere to go. So heavy in my soul until you came to me. You came out of thin air. It all fell into place. You took me away.
Okay, wait, I have more. This fan has an inbuilt 4000 mAh battery, which you can recharge. And single charge gets you about 3 hours on good use. The good thing is you can charge it with any USB adapter, laptop, or even a power bank. And you also get a full USB slot to do a quick top up to your smartphone. Cool, right? Overall, for around ₹2,600, an impressive rechargeable table fan for indoor or even outdoor use. You also get another model without the Bluetooth speaker but with a larger battery for around ₹2,300. If you don't want the speaker part, you can consider that as well. We'll leave the Best Buy links to both models in the description. Check it out. Alright, next product on my list is something to keep you hydrated on the go. Meet the Bellocopia Sipper Plastic Water Bottle. This is a sipper style water bottle that will make you feel surprised. Why? Let me show you. Before that, the build is made of BPA free and food grade plastic and is very good for the price you pay. Comes in multiple colors. What I have is the green and yellow. Now here comes the best part. Hold here and boomba! It's an expandable water bottle. Cool, right? Not only that, you can bend it the way you want for a fun experience. You know what? Kids will love it for sure. And if you're a grown-up kid like me, you will also love to own this bottle. Handy to carry during travel as it's a space saver. As the water gets low, you can fold to save space. Maximum capacity is 1 liter. For around rupees 260, you get 2 bottles in different colors. Definitely a worthy water bottle to own. Can be a wonderful gift as well. Wanna grab one? We'll leave the best buy link in the description. Check it out. Alright, next product on my list is something to keep you cool on the go. Carrying a hand fan during travel might be tough. How about a watch fan? Haha, yep. Meet the portable USB watch rechargeable fan. A mini fan that you can wear on your wrist and carry along to cool yourself on the go. Build is all plastic, looks good. Definitely light in weight. Strap is silicone. The fan dial is about 3.5 centimeters and it comes with 3-speed adjustment. Just click here and the fan pops up. You can rotate the fan angle right, left, up, down depending on your need. Turn on and now you can enjoy some cool breeze on the go. Once done, just fold and turn off. Cool, right? It has an inbuilt 800 mAh battery which can give you about 2 hours backup depending on your use. You get the charging USB cable in the box. And yep, this can be charged with any USB adapter or even a power bank. Or say, if your phone supports reverse charging, then with an OTG adapter, you can charge this on the go. Here's another thing. If you don't want to wear it like a watch, then you can remove the silicone strap and use it like a pocket fan. Cool, right? For around rupees 699, definitely a handy one to carry around to cool yourself this hot summer. When you wear it on your wrist, this might make you look a bit futuristic. Haha, can be a wonderful gift as well. Wanna grab one? We'll leave the best buy link in the description, check it out. Alright, next product on my list is something for you to refresh on the go. Meet the coin tissue. In this pack, you get 100 compressed tissues that are like candies. Just grab a few and carry it in your pocket. When you need to refresh, just open the packet and add few drops of water to it.
Wow!
And the coin tissue starts to expand. It just unfolds and now you have a wet tissue ready to use. Cool, right? A small handy towel, or you can call it a napkin, for you to use when you need one. Here comes the best part. During these COVID times, you can also use this as disinfectant wipes. Just add few drops of liquid sanitizer. Expand and boom, now you have a disinfectant wipe ready to use. This you can use to clean your hands, clean products and do more. But do not use it on your face if you use a sanitizer. Overall, an ultra compact compressed tissue that is super easy to carry with you.
Ooh la la! What have you done to us, Shan? Wherever we go and hear the word compact, instantly our mind asks for a comparison. Isn't that right, guys? Let Shan know in the comments.
Well, if I have to say, the size of the coin tissue is approximately in the size of 2 polo mints stacked together. What? Yep, crazy but true. Another exclusive Tekshan comparison. Overall, for around rupees 350, you get 100 coin tissues. And for around rupees 195, you get 50 coin tissues. A handy one to own. Choose the quantity as per your need. We'll leave best buy links to both in the description. Check it out. Alright, next product on my list is something for you to energize. Check out the hand juicer, a super easy to use manual juicer that'll help you prepare a quick tangy real orange juice to quench your thirst. The juicer is all plastic and build is very good for its price. And trust me guys, this is one product that I was totally surprised. You get the top lid, center strainer, bottom jar where the juice is collected. Let me tell you, this is a no mess juicer. Meaning, let me show you. You can use any citrus fruit on it, lemon, orange. For demo, I'll use an orange. Cut it into half, place it here. Close the lid, press and twist, right, left. Now remove and you can see the seeds all separated and the juice got collected in the bottom jar. Go ahead and repeat. Now tell me, isn't that easy? No messy hands, blah blah. Pour it into a glass and enjoy your juice. It's easy to clean as well. For around rupees 150, definitely a worthy product to own this summer to prepare fresh juice without making a mess. Can be a good gift as well. Wanna grab one? We'll leave the best buy link in the description, check it out. Alright, it's time for the special product of this video. And this time, well, see for yourself. Many of you guys were asking me about my sunglasses. Well, sorry guys, this is no longer in stock. But today I have 2 cool sunglasses for you that you can check out. These will come in super handy when you travel outdoors and yeah, will make you also look stylish. First, meet the oversized sunglasses. This is a sunglass inspired by Shahid Kapoor. It is big and looks funky. It's unisex. Both men and women can wear it. Comes in multiple colors. What I have is the mirror-like blue. Given its big frame and well-covered stylish sides, you can use it even while driving. Helps protect your eyes from dust. And here is how it looks on me. Frankly, this is best suited for those who have a broad face. But it's up to you. Who's going to stop you? Alright, next is something special which I love a lot. Meet the Iron Man inspired aviator glasses. This is similar to the glasses which Tony Stark would leave behind for Spider-Man in the movie Spider-Man Far From Home, called Edith glasses. If you had watched the movie, you can relate to this. It's a super stylish sunglass that is one of my personal favorite. Both the sunglasses you get pouch and a cleaning cloth. The oversized glass costs around Rs 299 and the Iron Man style glass costs around Rs 399. Definitely worthy glasses to up your style quotient. Wanna grab one? We'll leave the Best Buy link in the description. Check it out. So that's it for this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Want to buy any of the products featured in this video? Best Buy links are in the description. Check it out. Price may fluctuate plus or minus time to time. It's not in my control, guys. So please understand. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in another exciting video. Until then.